So, good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
So, welcome to all into RKS Capper Academy. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Saraswati Patel. I'm Dr. Mr. Smart Patterns Comply Patel. I have completed my graduation from the Tilak College. I like new discharges Labrador Guard. I want to be as my future medal person at Hassan Rahman. I'm proud of India because I am Indian. So, today I am here to share my own thought about very wonderful things which has been given by respected sir, and this is very important matter and we must arise this matter that will AI replace the jobs in the future or not. So as per my thinking, we should see the reality of the AI. Yes, AI will replace the jobs or not. So as per my thinking, the 50% jobs will be given by the AI and the 50% jobs will be snatched by the AI. How it will happen, I will tell you that. Firstly, the 50% jobs will be snatched by the AI. Just we can see AI in a many sector as like a farming sector, medical sector, in a education sector. We are watching AI in a many sector in the place of the person, in the place of a human. As we can see AI in education sector, as we are using the ChatGPT, Gemini, Google AI, many apps in our mobile. What just happened, whenever we have to search any types of the information, we need any information, so just we type the message and we ask the question, and that time AI give the answer. So as per my thinking, do you know that for collecting the data, only if 1% people will give the data, so there is only one AI who is recognizing all the data. But if I will tell you the reality that if there were no AI, so as per my thinking, there were many people who was giving a lot of the information, who was earning a lot of the money. But because of the AI, just AI is snatching the jobs of those thousands people maybe who would also work like as a AI, because AI is not made by the because AI is made by the human didn't made by the AI. So as per my thinking, both the things are matters a lot. And if I will tell that how the AI is giving the jobs in the future, in the present time also, so as per my thinking, just we can see because AI is also contributing the health in a many sector, in a education sector also. We are watching the many online classes in our new era, and we are also taking the benefit. So just in a having given the few money, we are taking the benefit because of the AI. But if there will be no AI, so maybe we will have to face a lot of the problem, because who creates the online sector and who is also working in a online sector, so they are also taking the help of the AI. So at the time also it is very important in a second matter that AI also increase the productivity of the work of the things also. In our business sector, we can also see that whenever customer and the who is owner, so they are also taking the help of the AI, and whenever the owner needs the thousands people, so the owners having taken the help of the AI, maybe having given the 5,000 rupees, they can be able to take the help of the AI. So this is not a very bad thing, but as per my thinking, we should use AI in a limit. We need not to cross it. If we will cross it, so maybe it will become very dangerous thing for us. When we will use it in a limit, so it will be very beneficial things. When we are going to use the AI for the good thing, for the goodness, so maybe it will be very good friend to us. But when we are using the AI in a bad thing, so it will become the bad enemy of you. So always remember that it is your choice. What do you want to make? So always remember that the 50% jobs are being given by the AI and the 50% jobs are being snatched by the AI. So always remember that the AI is not totally wrong and AI is not totally right. So it's depend on your choice that what do you want to know, what do you want to take with the AI. So by these, thank you, have a nice day.
Now one more time you all are welcome by me one and only into the RKS Campus Academy. First of all I would like to introduce myself. Myself Patel. My father name is Raj Patel. My mother name is Lalibai Patel. I like banana. I dislike drinking. My hobby is playing cricket. Now today I would like to mention some of the views, some of the fantastic views out of a fantastic topic which is going on the ultra modern world nowadays. Everybody are talking the AI. What is the AI? Now the AI, the main question is being arisen by us that will AI replace the job in future? How? It is being known by us, my dear brother and sister, that one thing, my dear brother and friends, that every coin have their two sides. Am I right? Yes. At the boon and ban, everybody have disadvantage and advantage. Everything we have. We have a weakness and a strongness. Everybody. But now here this topic, what is the main? Similarly, the main thing is being realized by us that AI is being made by us, not the human is made by the AI. Because my dear brother and friends, it is being understood by us. We have to realize someone else as much as that much will not harmful for our body, for our life. Now we are watching nowadays the ultra model world. Many things is being understood by us that it is being known by us that will AI is good enough or not. This is the main question. But if I would like to tell you the how the AI is being skipping our jobs and the jobbers and the workers are being very worthless. Now we are watching the old time. The being it is before that I would like to tell you one summit which is being made by the whole the country in Brazil, where the biggest people were presented here. Why I said the biggest millionaire? I didn't said why, because my dear brother and sister, there were the politician, millionaires and the backbencher. How? They are not the backbencher, looking like they are millionaires and they are the brokers who are being watched by the AI. Now the being understand by us in our Delhi. One summit is being watched by us. The India has bought. Now I am criticizing the India. India has bought what? Robert from the China and he was submitting. Why? It is being realized by us that, my dear sister and brother, in the year of 2023, the Elon Musk has said one thing, the summit of Brazil, that it is being known by us that, my dear brother and sister, AI will replace ourselves unless we will replace by the AI. Because my dear brother and sister, it is being realized by us, the AI is also replacing the job day by day, every year, every time. Now we are watching the mobile, now we are everything. Now we are getting the classes in online. Suppose we are going to the quota, we are spending the thousand of the crore rupees, but although we are not getting the right education and we couldn't be able to get the job. Am I right? But nowadays the AI is very beneficial. Things are being provided by the online classes. Very nice to be giving a very fantastic way to be getting the AI, how to be use the AI tools. But nowadays the social media is looking like a China. We are not a China. The Chinese students are using the social media. The AI for the reading, for the everything. The paperless study is being made by the Chinese government. Now I am said one statement, the paperless study. We are writing nowadays in copy. The Chinese government has made the robot and the tools are being provided by the Chinese government. There is no paper which is being made by the government of the China. Now the AI is impacted by the China. And if I would like to tell you, USA, the USA is the biggest country which you are ever watched. Donald Trump, which is being released by us. Now the AI, how it is replacing the jobs. Now we are watching the cashier, the one example, the bank sector is being replaced by us. But now, are you watching the ATM? The previous time when the ATM being reduced by the government, many workers, many things, many people are abusing, and the abusing as well as restraining to them, repelling to them that ATM is very bad for our money. It will reduce the money, it will very harmful for to be stolen the money. Some of the people, they will infected by the ATM. Now the cyber crime is being watched by us, but now the ATM is very beneficial for the saving the government money as well as our time. We need not to be go any other banks where we have to be stood for a long time, but now in a second we are getting the money. As well as here the job, how it is creating the job. Now we are watching the many AI company where the chips are being made by. The India is not producing, Make in India's program is failed. But now if I would like to tell you China, the every student like a 9-year, 10-year, they are making the what? It is being realized by what they are making. The main question I am reading here, am I getting a new education or not? Not. This is the big question by the China. The Chinese students are making what?
the chips in the every houses. But our India, the social media is just like a stool, the stool which is being used by us. But now we are not in a right way. The many examples, many things can be got by the AI, but the AI will replace the job. It is agreed by me because nowadays the farmers are disappearing from their farms. Why? The very workers are going to other country for doing the works, jobs. Because one machine can got the thousand of the workers job. Because we are watching the farming works, there were people were spending their time 1 month, 2 months. Nowadays, only 20 days the farming works are being conducted by. This is very bad for us. And now, if I would like to tell you the humans' mind, how the AI is reducing the job by the humans. Now, my dear brother and sister, we were playing the cricket a lot the previous time, but now AI is impacted by us, our body as well as our life. Now, if I would like to tell you one thing, if I have to write one thing, this is IAS. Okay, I have written. If the robot, the Meta, any of the technology which is being used by us, how it will be impact, how it will connect our life. Now, the emotionally I am connected with everybody. You are watching my eyes. The robot will realize our body, not. It will also give you a right way to be choose. But we are a human. The emotions are the human. The difference between the AI, the emotions and the humans. Because the robot is not emotionally impacted by the any bodies. They are just connected by their tools like electricity, everything which is charged by them. But now at the end, whatever is being done by us, the every technology is a very nice for the everybody. Now the Elon Musk statement has been given by that. If I will use technology in a day only 10 minutes, this is good enough for my life. And the one statement are being released by the Elon Musk that I use in a day only 2 minutes mobile. How many hours we are using? How many hours? Many of them 10 hours. Although having used the 2 minutes, he has earned thousand of the crore money. How? Because he is using in a right way. The technology gives a lot of money. Now we are a creator for creating the video. Now I am doing the something. I am going to the RKS Campus Academy. While going the RKS Campus, how may be possible the AI will help me for the teaching, for the knowing the something new. Nowadays, the vocabulary is being realized by us. At the end, this is all about to be AI is very nice for the how we are using. It is also harmful for our life. If you are using in a right way, so this is good, and this is good enough to be using in a right way. Because my dear brother, in this ultra model world, we can't be able to survive without AI. Thank you.
Welcome to all into the RKS Academy. First of all, very wonderful good morning, respected sir, and all my dear friends. Good morning.
सुनील भैया बोला था ना मैं सेट करना इसको स्टार्ट.
So now today I am here for sharing my some opinions about the topic, which is will AI replace job in the future or not. So first of all, I will say that AI is replacing job. It is correct, but how much job is being replaced by the humans? It will be known that what happens in our India, that having use of the AI, more than more job is being replaced by the AI. Just like if any work is being completed by 10%, so having use of the AI, that work is completed by the one AI. So this is a very big problem for the humans because it is taking place of the 10%. And next I will talk about the when AI is taking place of the humans. So many unemployment person is increasing in our India. So this is a very dangerous things for us also. And what happens in this, but AI can replace the job, but AI cannot take the place of the human person, which types of work is being done by us. Just like if I will take about the sector of the school and school, college and computer sector, and there are so many sectors where AI is making place gradually. So I will say that just like I will talk about the English school. So whenever any question is being asked by the AI, asked with the AI, so that time that question is stood from the school, means by the teacher, and after that when a teacher asks any kind of of question with the student. So that time AI give answer to us. Means if there will be teacher, so that time we can be able to get answer of any question. So I think that AI cannot take a place of the teacher also. And next I will talk about the AI is taking place in the farming place also. So that time what happens whenever we crop and we cut crops in the farmer place. So that time what happens? We also use of the cultivate. So that time there is also one person use of the cultivate and they operate to cultivate. Then crops is being cut by the any machines. So I think that how much work is being completed by AI. So that much work is being means how much AI is taking place. So that much we are also working. But what happens? AI is making less to any kind of work. Means if we were taking 10 hours for getting any kind of information, means if we will say that if you have to find any kind of information, so that time you use of the mobile. So that time you get suddenly. But in the previous time we were not using of the AI. So that time we were taking too much time having a studied book. But it is a very good thing also that AI is making everything easy. So by this word I want to take my share. Thank you.
Become the master of your mind. When you become the master of your mind, so you are a master of everything. By this line, well, wonderful good morning, respected sir, best student of their best mentor, judges, and good morning to all. Good morning. So friends, today I am here for presenting about the today topic which has given by the sir yesterday. So from the today topic, first of all, I feel like introducing myself. My name is Kanchan Patel. My father name is Mr. Pushpras Patel. My mother name is Mrs. Rajkumari Patel. I like fruits. I dislike cuisine. I want to become a IAS officer in my future. I live at Halwa and Kani. I am proud of India because I am Indian. So next, today I am going to share some thoughts about the yesterday topic, which is will AI replace the job in the future? So according to me, yes, AI is about to replace the job in the future, because now you are watching that many kind of work is completing by the AI. Just like if I will talk about the basic works, just like if any kind of works, any kind of report is making by the AI. So this kind of basic work is completing by the AI by the computer in a AI, and so this kind of things is completing by the AI in a computer. So and we are watching that many places AI is working. Just like now we can use the PPT also for presenting, and in a school this kind of things is also working, and now digital board is also applying for presenting for teaching to children. And if I will talk about replacing the 50%, so AI will replace the 50% jobs for the humans. And just like now every teachers are teaching, so that's like we are watching that online classes is also available for explaining to children for taking the classes. And if I will talk about so AI is not a human. Just like if human has a hand and legs, so it is a software, and only it can work which kind of work is completing by the software. That software work only can complete the AI. And if I will talk about the human works, just like if anyone is cooking the food, so the AI cannot work as like a chef, as like a gymnastic, as like a electrician, and as like a plumber. So this kind of things cannot completed by the AI. Only AI can work which kind of work is available, and which kind of work can done by the computer. Only that kind of things can complete by the AI. And in the future, the person who is knowing about the AI, and who knows how to operate the AI, so that person will get the benefit in the future, and that person will not become the unemployed, and that person become the employed. the person who is not knowing about the AI in the future, so that person will become the unemployment. So that is my thoughts about this. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to all. Good morning. So let me give my brief introduction. My name is Durga Chaudhary. My father's name is Mr. Rajakumar Chaudhary. My mother's name is Rambai Chaudhary. I have completed PG from Zoology from Tilak College. I want to become an assistant professor in my future. My dear Pasa parents, I like mango. I deserve branches. So let's come on the point. So today I am standing here for telling a wonderful topic which is all about will AI replace the jobs in the future. So as we all know that in the current time we all are using the AI. In the phone we are also using a lot of software which are very useful for us. In the railway hospital also there are a lot of computer which is very good for the papers, because the previous time what happening in the railway hospital, a lot of people were coming the railway hospital for the checkup, but that time only some people were on that time for helping to them all person, but that time what is happening, that work was taking a lot of time, because one person had to handle a lot of people and one person was writing a lot of information about any particular topic in the case paper. But now this time what happened, now in the railway hospital there are a lot of computers, so people can easily come in the railway hospital, they can directly select which doctor they want to consult and many more things about the room numbers and many more things. They can only they have to touch on the screen according to their own wish. This is how they are working with the help of the AI. And even we know that there are a lot of benefit of the AI, because we know that what is happening with the railway exam. Means we know that whenever we are going to give any kind of competition exam, even the railway exam, NET exam, any means those types of exams, so what is happening, we are using CBT system, means computer based test. We are not going there and we are not writing on the paper, that which means we are saving our time. We simply have to operate the computer, only have to handle the mouse. On that time it is very simple because that time we are able to understand, realize a lot of questions, because that time the computer is saving our time, which means we are utilizing our time for solving that particular question. It is very good for us. So it is all about that will AI replace the jobs or not. So many places like cashiers or billing, those kind of sectors, yes, AI will replace the jobs, because we know that person are taking a lot of time for billing, for data entering also, but AI means they are working automatically, so it is very good. They are taking the less time. It is very good for us. And but there is also correct that somewhere AI can't be able to replace the jobs of the people, as like a teachers, as like a doctors, psychologists also, because we know that those types of people realize our mind, realize our whole body, analyze also. Then after giving us a lot of advice according to our health. So AI can't do these kind of things, because we know that we are uploading a lot of system in the AI, but whatever we have uploaded, so that time AI will give only those kind of things, nothing more, nothing less. This is how AI works. And we also know that if we are using AI this well, so it is also good, because we know that a person can't work 24 hours, because we know that as a human we need a lot of hours for relaxing, for giving relaxation for our own body. But AI means machine, we don't want any kind of relaxation. We know that we can take a lot of benefit with the AI, with the robotics works also. So we know that people are fearing with the name of the AI. That is not correct the all time, because we know that if we know how to handle, how to operate the system, means including the computer, any kind of machine, so we can easily work, we can easily get the jobs. But if we don't know, we don't have much education, we don't know how to operate these all kind of things, that time we are fearing. So we don't have to fear any those kind of things, just learn. And we should take forward steps for learning a lot of new things which is necessary for the future, including our own self. So that's all for it. Thank you for nice day.
welcome to all in RKS Kepler Academy. First of all, I would like to give my brief introduction. My name is Preeti Rathod, daughter of Mr. Shiv Gopal Rathod and Mrs. Keskali Rathod. I live in Katni. I have completed my PG from Tilak College. I want to become assistant professor in my future. I like mango, dislike banana. My ideal person are parents, and I proud of India because I am Indian. So friends, one more time I am here to share my own point of view about a very wonderful topic that is all about will AI replace the job in the future. So as per me, AI completely does not completely replace the job in the future, because we all know that we all are using the AI like a phone, like in factory, as we watch that in factory there are many machines works, but we can't say that totally AI replace the job. In if we talk about the school, so there are means teachers use many technology, but we can't say that that the technology means robot can be able to teach to students. Means I am not saying robot cannot be able to teach the student. It can teach, but it cannot feel the emotions of students. So we can't say that completely AI replace the job. We are watching many places like bank, hospitals, that AI, and one thing that AI management means AI cannot waste our time. Means if we talk about bank, so when we go in bank for depositing and for deposit money, so we know that we have to make a long line. Means we have to stand in a long line and we have to wait. But after coming the technology, means ATM, we can be able to easily deposit money. So we can't say, and it also help AI. Means after coming the AI, we can be able to answer a question. Means having used our means we all know that we are using chat GPT and AI, so we can able to find early answers of questions. So that was my thought. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, respected sir, and good morning to all. Good morning. So thank you for response. Firstly, my introduction. Myself, my father name is Mr. Santosh. My mother name is Sita Bai Patel. I live in Padel. I study BTech 4th in I like tea. I dislike smoke and drinking. I brought up here because of Indian. Next today, I want to say my own thought about this topic, which topic has given by the sir. The topic is, will AI replace the job in the future? So friends, as per my thinking, AI will replace some job in the future, but you know the friends, AI will also create some job in the future. So answer is both AI, yes and no. But if we talk about the AI, so friends, after coming to AI, so many work easy. Like if we talk about the data entry and the management also, some calculations, also editing also. So after coming to AI, we can see also this type of advantage. You know the friend, if we talk about the previous year where we need 10 people for doing any type of work, but after coming to AI, we can do any work. We need not to 10 people, and we can do by ourselves and by AI also. And you know the friends, Amit bhaiya also said this in a banking sector. But you know the friends, if we talk about the banking sector, so for giving the one people employment, 1,000 people lost our time, lost our employment also. If we can do by ourselves deposit and withdraw, so we can save our time and we can use good way also. If we talk about the engineering sectors, medical sectors, and the architecture sectors also, we can use AI also. If we talk about the traveling, so in a station, so we can take the ticket by yourself also. So we need not to stand the long line also. So, and if we talk about the architecture, so where we need to making some drawings, so we give some money for making drawings. So after coming to AI, we fill the data, we fill the area and which type house you want to make. So you can tell AI, and AI gives some suggestion which type houses should be made by you. So this is the AI good for you. So thank you very much.
So good morning sir and good morning to everyone. Good morning. So my name is Arman Barman, my father name is Mr. Parasuram Barman. I have completed my 12th class from Government High Secondary School. So now friends, today we are going to know about something that the will AI replace jobs in the future or not. So friend, I think that this is the AI will replace in the future of job. But we have to watch that this is a very benefit for us. We will get advantage or not. Firstly, we will watch the first time we watch if the benefit. So yes, this is a very good for the some places. Like we are watching that if we want to save the lives of the human, so this is a very good. If the AI will become an army of the India, so this is a very good. If we are saving the life of the human, so this is a good. But the some students, some people, and some man is saying that we are making the robots as a doctor. So maybe friend, this is a very dangerous for the human. If the dangerous is why? Because if the human will do the job, so he will has a mind, he will do. But the robot is a not mind like a human. Means that he can't think that a human. Because if the human can do the operation very perfectly, because on that time he can think that what I have to do. But the robot will think that only I have to do the operation in anyhow. So I think that they can means that the robot can directly cut, but the human cannot. So therefore, I want to say that if we are watching that, if the AI will come, so it will go or not. But I think that if the robot will come, so definitely our job will go, because where the people used to do work means that where the people used to do the 20 people. Now this time we are watching that means that the one machine means that one robot will do the work. Where we used to use a 1 hour, in the future that the work will complete in a 1 minute. So this is a very not good for us. But we will watch if the robot will come, so AI will come. So where the robot should be work in our society. Like we are watching that we have also farm and we have also nap. So on that time the robot will good, because if the robot will clear to nap, so this is a very good. That the robot will clear to our farm, our house, and that robot will help of our mother for cooking food. That is a normal work, that is a good. But you are thinking that the whole work robot will work, so this is a not very good. But now this time we are watching that if the many students saying that we are using the software. So if I would like to tell you that you are telling me yesterday that why we are using the mobile. So I want to tell you that the mobile is doing work for us, but the AI will do the work. Means that totally you are understanding that what work we have to do, on that time the AI will do. So where we will go. So therefore I want to say that in the last that AI will come, so definitely the dangers will for women. Thank you.
You all are welcome by me into the one and only RKS Campus Academy. So firstly I would like to introduce myself. It's Shanu Kewat in front of you. Today I am here for sharing my own opinion about the yesterday topic, which is that will AI replace the job or not. So according to me that AI will replace the job in the future, yes, because friends, we are living in the ultra modern world where the technology is growing very fastly, and friends, many jobs were replaced by the AI, because in the past time what happened that in the ATM, if we see in the bank side, so there were the one cashier who deposit the money and who withdraw the money. But now this time we are using the ATM for withdrawing the money. So this is very this is very bad thing for us, because the AI is replacing the job, and friends, unemployment also increasing the day by day. So according to me that if I will say that about the against of that topic, so according to me that we are living in the ultra modern world, and as I already told that in the every time there are many new technologies coming every time. So friends, if we want to be something, and we want to develop our country, ourselves also, so we need to learn some skills also for this world. As you can watch many in the previous time when the technology came, as we can take the example of the computer. So when the computer arrived in the world, so that time there were many people who were thinking that now the jobs would disappear. But what happened that whenever any technology comes to it gives the firstly it gives the fear, but it gives the opportunity to, also, because there are many jobs for the computer also. You know that data entry and programming and designing, there are many jobs available now this time. So this thing happened with the AI also. AI cannot replace the jobs completely, because the AI cannot think like a human. AI can't understand the emotions of the human, because human has a power to think. Human has a power to understand the emotions, the feelings, and human has a power to create the something new. So friends, AI cannot replace the jobs in the future, as I think that. But if the human wants to be something, so they need to learn the new skills about the AI, because in the future I think that those person who are unable to understand the AI, so they can be they may face the many difficulties in the future. So they need to understand the AI, and they need to learn the new skills about the AI. So this was all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So good morning to respected sir and good morning to all. Good morning. So firstly introduce myself. My name is Kajal Rajak. My father name is Mr. Balveer Rajak. My mother name is Mrs. Ranjan Rajak. I am doing BMNT from Mahavir. My ideal person are my parents. I proud of India because I am Indian. So today I am going to tell you about the yesterday topic. AI will replace the job in the future. So as we all know that artificial intelligence or AI is growing very fast in today's world. From the mobile phones to hospital, from the school to big companies, AI is becoming a part of our daily life. Many people believe that AI will replace the human job completely, but it is true that before some time, whenever we read and whenever we were any doubts on that time, we ask our question with our teacher, with classmates. But now this time, whenever we read and when we have any doubts on that time, we didn't ask with our teacher and classmate. On that time we search our question on the Google. On that time many people thought that how much time we lost for asking our question with teacher, and how much time our teacher will take for solving our question. That much time we save by the AI, because AI provide our answer very early. But on that time we should not use too much AI, because if we will use too much AI, so on that time we become an employee, because how much work completed by human, that much work can be done by AI. So on that time we become an employee. So thank you.
Myself, my name is Niharika Gupta. My father's name is Shri Chandrakant Gupta. My mother's name is Sisi Ramani Gupta. I have completed my graduation. I want to become a government employee. Serve the public with dedications. Besides traveling, dancing, my role model and my parents, I'm proud of India because I'm Indian. So today I would like to share my own thoughts about that topic. Will AI replace the job in the future? So yes, it is true, and we all are using AI in our mobile phone, school, hospital, even in social media. So why we are using? Because it is working in a very fast way and in a very accuracy. That's why we are using the AI. But AI has a lot of disadvantage and advantages also. So if I talk about the restaurant, so we all are watching that in a restaurant many robots are working for serving food to the customers. So on that place many jobs begin to decrease. And if I talk about the hospital, so AI platform are using in a hospital for checking any diseases. And if I talk about the education system, so in education system we all are using the Gemini, ChatGPT, Perplexity for learning something. Because if you will take an offline class, and on that time if a teacher is very strict, so you cannot ask again and again. But if you are using AI, so you can ask again and again because it doesn't get angry. So as per my thinking, it is very good, and I'm not saying that AI will not replace a human completely, because AI cannot think as like a human, and AI cannot work without the human, because AI has no common sense and creativity. Because how much data is installed by the human, that much
much can be used, because it means AI cannot think out of the box. Human can think a lot, but AI cannot think. And if you are using any AI computer, and if you will enter the password, so AI does not check who is entering the password. AI only checks that password is wrong or right. So as per my thinking, it is a very disadvantage, and in a future AI will definitely replace many jobs, but we should be ready, and it means we should learn many AI tools. If you will learn AI technology, so definitely there will be no employment in the future. So that's my first thing.
So welcome to the RKS Campus Result Academy. First of all, good morning, sir, and good morning to everyone. Good morning. Thanks for this month. First of all, I introduce my name is Neil Pal. My father name is Mr. Sumit Pal, and my mother name is Mr. Anubhai. I live at Padiyan Academy. I like to practice like mango. I want to become a good person in my life. My ideal person are my parents. I study for College, BA third year. My hobby is singing song. I proud of Indian because I'm Indian and it's my motherland. So let's start now. Today I want to share my own thoughts about the yesterday topic, which topic has been given by the sir. So topic is that like will AI replace the job in the future? So my dear friends, I want to tell you that, and as we also know that the AI is working in any sectors, just like in an education system and the health system and every system, just like business and every system. But friends, I want to tell you that who can be able to take the profit with the AI? Those who who knows about the AI and who learn and who people is learning about the AI system, and who can be able to survive life in India, and who earns money with AI, having learned tools, having learned AI tools and everything, having learned with the AI. So friends, they can be able to earn money. But friends, I want to tell you that in this sector the AI will not the work. Friends, I want to tell you like the AI like a teacher and a doctor, and as well as a plumber and like a worker. So friends, like in this sector, so AI cannot the work like similarly. If you want to do some work in your house, so on that time the AI will not come. On that time the people will come. Similarly, that's friend it's also the important. But friends, I want to tell you that why AI is important for us. Friends, I want to tell you that and you also know that I want to tell you that one thing happened in the UP. My friends, one people create the big like a business in the UP. That's without the employment. And friends, he was using and he's using only the AI, everything happened by the AI tools. So, and friends, he has become the millionaire people according the only 1% by the 1%. Only friends, he has only the control the data and everything. That's he's earning the too much money, and he not need to any employment for the working. And directly he hire only three people for the watching the data and anything. My friends, I want to tell you that one thing also, that if you are learning the AI, so maybe you can be able to earn too much money in the future, because now in any sectors is AI working in any sector. So thank you, have a nice day.
Good morning, sir, and good morning to everyone. Good morning. So my name is Pratik. My name is Mr. Pawan. I have completed my 12th class from the Government Higher Secondary School, Bangalore. So today I am here to share my own opinion about this topic, that will the AI replace the job of the human? So as for me, the AI will replace the job of some kind of job, but it will also provide some kind of the job to the human. Just like if I talk about that, which kind of the job will be replaced by the AI. So mainly job which is related with the technical field has been taken by the AI. Just like if I talk about the data entry, graphic designing, video editing, 3D modeling, coding, and like that. So, but due to these things, AI is also providing a lot of the job, just like AI prompting, AI trainer, because now this time the AI is making by the companies day by day, and due to this thing, for training, for giving the training to the AI, the companies need the AI trainer, and also AI can make any kind of it, but for giving the prompt, the AI needs the human, and in this the AI prompter needs. But there are a lot of the fields, just like art and medical, where AI can't be replace the human touch. Just like if I talk about the art, so AI can make the sketch of any kind of the person without taking the money. But now this time also people are giving the money to the artist for making the portrait sketch of themselves. So at last I just want to say that with that time you need to improve yourself with new skills. So thank you, have a nice day.
So good morning to all. Firstly, my introduction. My name is Ankita Dubey, daughter of Mr. Prem Narayan Dubey and Mrs. Rajni Dubey. I have completed my post-graduation in IDBB University. I live it at NKJ Padaria. Today I am going to share some information about the topic, will AI replace the job in a future? So according to me, AI is a technology, but it is cannot completely replace the job. It is a reshaping the job, and after 10 to 15 years, 50 to 55% jobs are transformed by AI, and where machine will work place on a human. I give you one example. In a USA, some places like hospitals and hotels and schools use a robot for working, and it is if they use a robot, it is a one time investment, and it is provide too much profit, because robot work 24/7 without any mistakes, and I'm not saying without human AI working, but for robot working and working, one person is enough for giving command and install software, etc. And it is take away 10 to 15 people jobs. And in a medical field, by AI help doctor easily detect any disease quickly and fastly and accurately. And some hospitals use a robot as a surgeon, and these robot help doctor by without any doing mistakes. Thank you.
So, welcome to all in the Arcus Campus Academy. Good morning, Spetha sir, and all my dear friends. Good morning. Thank you for your responses. So, before wasting the time, I would like to, without wasting the time, I would like to decide my views on this topic, which is, will AI replace the jobs? So, the answer is not in yes or not in no, because we cannot say that AI can replace the jobs of human, or it can replace the jobs of human, because there are so many point of view, and I will keep in front of you. So if the AI will job instead of human, so it will give the faster result, it will be beneficial, it will be accurate, but many times it is not able to understand that data is correct or not. So on that time the AI will take the help of human. So on that time we should think that if the AI will be individual, on that time, so it will not be able to understand the data is correct or not, because all the data is correcting, because the human are giving the feedback of them. If the AI thinking that if I will tell the initial stage of AI, so in the previous stage it was not able to create the images according to the laws of physics. So after getting the feedback of human, it is able to understand that what is the concept of physics and how the movements of any object works. So the AI created the images with the laws of physics. So this is how. And the second thing is, the AI cannot be it cannot create the emotions just like love, fear, and it cannot generate the dopamine in itself just like the human fear and it loves to the another person.
So AI cannot create the love and fear. Why this thing emotion will be there? Because emotion creates the emotion pushes the limits of the human. Just like Dasrath Manji, you know why he was able to break the whole hill, because he was very angry because his wife was dead because of that hill, and on that time he was very angry that this hill, by this hill I was not able to send my wife to the hospital. So that's why this emotion created the biggest impact in his life. So the AI cannot do this kind of things. So why am I saying in the day-to-day life how it will work with any kind of result? You know that many times any kind of company is decreasing their value. So how the company create the new value? It creates by pushing the limits, and limits pushes by the emotion. If the emotion will not be with the AI, so it cannot make the new things. It can create the things with the rational thinking and with the help of previous data, and it can recognize the patterns and it can create the rational things, but it cannot create the emotional thing. It cannot create the emotional ads just like the human creates. The whole things are being sold because they are connecting with the emotion. If the AI will go in this field to advertise anything, so it will not be able to do because the emotion will be not there. The advertiser doesn't buy the product, they buy the emotion, and AI cannot create that kind of connection. So this is all for today. Thank you.